Hey guys, this is Dustin from Zero Focus. Today we'll be taking a look at several different types of shotgun shells. First we'll take a quick look at the exterior components and crack each of them open and discuss the interior components. We'll start with a basic shotgun shell from Federal Ammunition. This is their clay and field round. For the exterior we have the hull. It's basically a container for all the other components. This is the brass head where the primer and the powder are stored. Next we have the primer. Small metal cup that contains a chemical compound that ignites the powder charge when struck. That's pretty much it for the exterior, so let's get started cracking these bad boys open. Alright, so we'll start with the Federal Ammunition clay and field round. Let's go ahead and crack her open. Lost one. Hey, free BBs. Yeah, so that's basically what's in the Federal Ammunition clay and field round. A bunch of little small pellets. Alright, so we get the wad out. Alright, so the wad is basically a piece of plastic that sits between the charge and the projectile. It also allows the projectile load to travel down the barrel without it touching or damaging the inside of the gun. Alright, so let's see if we can get that out. Alright, this is where all the gunpowder is at. I can get this right here out. Alright, so there is the gunpowder right there. Oh, that little mess. That's basically a bunch of little flakes of gunpowder. That's what makes it go. Let me see if I can cut into this. I'll show you. There's the primer right there. You can see that or not? Primer. And that's pretty much it for the Federal Ammunition clay and field round. Alright, so next up is the Remington Sureshot high velocity steel round. This is what you're going to use for duck hunting. It's steel, has steel shot inside of it. DNR law is you have to hunt with steel shot if you're going to be hunting for ducks over water. Yeah, so you don't want to get lead in water, you know, kill the fish, whatever. Alright, so there you go. A lot bigger than the Federal Ammunition clay and field round. These little white pellets, it's called a buffer. It's pretty much just to keep the pellets from deforming and optimize the shot pattern, making a tighter group. That's pretty much it for those. But yeah, that's a lot bigger pellets. Alright, let's see if we get the wad out. Alright, what was bigger wad? Alright, so next we got Remington Buckshot. This is double alt buckshot. Should be 9 pellets inside here. It's a lot smaller. Oh, that is some big pellets. Nine pellets. Let's compare that to a 22. Man, imagine that coming at you. Let's see it compared to a 40 caliber. And compare it to a 22. That's pretty big pellet. Alright, next up, this is a turkey load, 12 gauge. Alright, a bunch of little small copper plated shot. see a lot of buffer. What you got there? It's Winchester Super X, I believe is what that's called. This is a slug from Remington. It's called the AccuTip. It's a 58 caliber slug. It has a tip on it, I guess for aerodynamics.
Try to get this thing out intact. Just to see how big it is. Alright, so there's the wad. Good God. So that's what's coming out at you. What the box says, it's 1,900 feet per second. So imagine that breaking someone's house, you got that coming at you. Compare that to a 40. Compare that to 22. Alright, so I took the AccuTip out part, and I got left with that. So imagine that coming into you at 1,900 feet per second. Definitely broke into the wrong house. Alright, so this is a 410. It's not a 12 gauge, 410 shotgun shell. It's from Winchester. So crack it open. Use this for hunting squirrels, rabbit, things like that. Alright, so there you go. That's what's in the Winchester 410. Alright, this is a 20 gauge. I don't even have a 20 gauge. I don't know where this thing came from. I think one of my friends left it over here, so I'm gonna cut into it, see what's in there. More free BBs.